following the fair weather protocols. You call me a friend when the Wi-Fi dies.